and put it wrong.
Yeah. So we ball only 5 balls.
over painting. Tell me.
Rahul, तेरे कितने हुआ?
मेरा 4 हो गया.
नहीं, but ask him how
I
many.
can use the power if you want.
Vishal is pending 1 over.
Yeah.
Vishal got 4 already.
If you want, you can ball.
Only use 5 bowlers.
Hey, that's okay.
डाल दे. कोई.
I'll change it.
I am asking you 5th ball. 5th over.
It's all me, right? You might have chosen it wrongly.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just putting on him.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll change it. Wait.
Short boy.
Nice, decide one thing.
Easy.
As long as it's not a 4, it's very good.
Batting boy, batting.
Nice shot, nice running.
That's it, power.
Good shot, boy.
Excellent. That's all.
I like it, Vamshi. Loving it.
Don't run into the boundary now. Boundary is local.
Lovely catch, boy.
Vivek, lovely amma.
चलो विकेट बैलेंस हो गया.
కాదు అవే 4-5 వదిలేసింది ఆల్రెడీ.
As long as Vamshi gives less than 12 runs in
Batting
this
good,
over.
Akshay.
No, he's bowling good.
No, because the score is going on my name, right?
No, Tamiji will change it. Don't worry. You got a wicket now.
I
10
got a
points.
wicket in the last over as well. That's what I'm saying. Like, as long as he gives less than 12
Well,
runs,
okay.
Batting.
we don't have to change it.
Change him. Nice one, Vamshi boy. Focus.
Lovely run.
Nice shot.
Field is for the bowler. Hello, boys. I'm bowling on six. They're not running. Keep it simple.
Wait.
Easy now.
Aram se.
Back me up. Excellent. You need to change anything, okay? Don't change anything, Vamshi. Right back. And back. Forward. Antaraja. No, use K there. Run fast. Let's go.
Keep running. Keep running.
Right, Bharat, right. Lovely, yaar, Vamshi. Six. Good shot. Come on, keep running, guys. Keep running. Too easy. Come on, boys.
Running ball.
Namaste.
Good running, Srijan.
Putra Vishal. क्या इधर तो तेरा बहुत नेचुरल एंगल आ जाता है 183 183 7 that was expected one wide couple of 5 and 6 nice Still, good bowling है overall, all the bowlers here. One batsman batted obviously. Okay. Even one guy had to like lot of star bowling into one. How is your name?
He's fine now. I think I should be able to bat.
Keep putting water bottle inside.
Even though you're not a fan of Gatorade, maybe try to sip a few for the electrolytes.
And stay away from there. That is too humid. Come out, breeze is little bit here. Come back with that.
Dude, that was.
That was like he just
He
turned,
hit the bottom like this.
but that was also a bad ball.
No, it's already 6:30.
Little bit towards the leg
How are we
side.
gonna finish the match?
The same ball, if it was on the middle, he was out.
8:30 sunset.
6:30.
Yeah, 8:30 sunset.
We took 2.5. 8:15 sunset. We took 3 breaks. Yeah, but
3 breaks, we started 15 minutes late.
we gotta hurry up. They gotta hurry up.
Around first time try చేస్తాను
Over or 3 got around it.
అంటే ప్రతిసారి అదే అవుతుంది అది ఓవర్ ఇది
7. అది 183 అండి. రెండు వచ్చినాయి. ఒక వైడ్ 5 రన్స్ 2 సింగిల్స్.
Fine. They were going at 10. Put them back at 9.
నేనే స్టార్ట్ చేసిన.
No, I came out first. Tough luck, man. Yeah, we I think 3 catches on your bowling. If one we can put it back.
Amiji, when you upload the game to YouTube, do you first upload it to Pro Clubs or what do you do?
No, I just put it on our channel. That's it. There's no.
You're not, the scorecard doesn't show up.
That's the problem.
But what's the process to do it through Pro Clubs? Because I think the league pays for it, right?
Yeah, yeah. You just have to use a phone. These kind of devices. You use a phone. You just do live scoring, live streaming in the app itself. There's nothing. You just need to log in as well. We have some IDs in the box. There is even more ID in the card.
I'll take a shot. Whoever wants to. Tell me what.
ఈ చిన్న ఉన్నావు నువ్వు అప్పుడు నువ్వు కేబీఆర్ ఎక్కడే కొట్టి గట్టిగా బ్యాటింగ్ అట్లా
చార్జెస్ కూడా ఇక్కడనే
అటు బ్యాట్
బ్యాటింగ్ అవును.
ఫస్ట్ స్టార్ట్ బాల్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చింది ఫోర్
Umpire, you have game balls with you? I have 1 game ball. I have only 1. Can you get a 3rd game ball? Yeah, keep it. I'll give. I have 1. I need 1 more game ball from this.
హైబ్రిడ్స్ టచ్ ఇచ్చింది అనమాట. సో
Remove the tape. I don't like the tape.
అది ఇంకోటి. సో ఇట్లా ఉన్నప్పుడు బాల్ హై సైడ్ కిందకి వచ్చినప్పుడు కనిపిస్తుంది అనమాట.
Amiji,
Ah,
do you have ball or you need one brand new ball?
we need 1 ball. I have 1. He has 1. We need 1 more.
Yeah, I couldn't. I was running late from the morning shift. So we could have planned.
Pigeon catch.
For after the game.
you were talking about it.
Okay, come here. Okay, just sit where you are. 180
Vishal.
regular score for us. Since we have done it many a time,
Thank you.
there is no hard hitting, nothing like that. There is no lead ball, no matter who, and we are best batting even for a good ball. Just play your game and see, do not hear the thing from here. Let the batsman be the judge of whether they want to run to what is
Any balls in there? 3 ఉన్నాయా?
whoever is batting, you decide whether you want a second. But take your part, don't make him run.
3 ఉన్నాయి. వరుణ్
Be there.
ఓకే ఓకే. అయినా తీసుకోవాలి.
క్లాస్ చేసుకుంటారు
9 runs in over there. Like that.
Just break it into 4 halves, so like 4 sections of 5, 5, 5, 5. Just
So
go
seventh
over
over we are on break, right?
Yeah.
Seventh over we are
7, 7, 6. Play for those. Play for 3 groups. 7, 7, 6.
yeah. Some 7 over 56 runs is a great score. It's some time. And see, look at both batsmen. Those are the best play people. Start with Vivek on the bottom, and then we'll take it.
Yeah.
No run. If you won't really do from dugout, even if we are, don't listen. Is there ID or I have ID in the car also? Yeah. Every 4 overs change. Guys, every 4 overs let's change the local time. Okay? There was what? All these IDs are done. You want immediately to take this service.
No, I game record कर रहा था.
I have done the local.
ये वाला. Here is my honest opinion. At the end of the day, this is all for creation and fun. If you are thinking from a business perspective, I don't see enough.
Then you don't even think like even the batsman who scores like a 40 or a 50.
That's never going to be enough business justification.
Youth cricket.
Well, parents are involved and money. People will always spend money on kids. Right? I still don't. I still get. I find it. I can't even get my wife to watch this.
Ours is rhetoric creation.
No, not for people. This is not for people. Like you go back home, you get a notification saying, here's your player package. Do you want to access it? And it's not like you don't have to pay $80 for it.
But if they have done well, they would.
That's what I'm saying. Like that's
Couple
what.
of years
But
in.
every game you'll get 2 players.
Okay, so it'll be like Vishal. Here is your package. Bharadwaj, here is your package.
And
Here
plus
is
then
your
there's the
package.
team highlights
Yeah,
obviously.
I got it. So and then it's like whatever you bowled, whatever you batted, whatever. you
Yeah,
fielded,
like your personal
it's like
package.
highlight package. I see.
Magic
I
moment.
see what you're saying.
Make sure you time
whatever
पूरा
I'm
4
doing
घंटे का गेम कोई नहीं देखता.
No, whatever I'm doing it for free, he want to pay, get money for it.
Yeah, but
So,
he, but
time it so that 10:30 later, right? So a couple of years, you
No,
somebody
but-
scores for 50.
I mean,
they want to really, right?
his app would make all these packages like
That's what I'm
Ranga's package. Yeah, you know, like
Yeah, but time it so that they get a notification at late night.
it'll be immediate.
No. He's saying after they're 1-2 beers down, then send them a
Yeah,
notification.
okay, yeah, $15, man, I'll throw it.
But no, that's what I'm saying. हर game में you'll get 2 players
Okay,
at
guys,
least who will be
into the game.
performing well.
Where is
Right?
the new one?
And
Yeah, no, I think that may be then. Yeah,
in some
There is
games
the
you
one
get
I
like 3 or
if
4
it's like
players.
a $5 per month, $10 per month subscription.
Vishal, new ball?
No, subscription is
Oh, it's a
more
one time. Both.
like, just like normal apps. You have a choice. This is your content. If you want to access it, pay $5 or $8.
I see. Then yeah,
But
around the world.
If
there's-
you want like unlimited access, then
But
$20
actually,
per
that's a good
person.
idea, because if you look at in Pune, in my society, there is a second floor versus third floor game going on.
That's why और आजकल वो है ना Instagram पे post करना है reel, TikTok पे post करना है reel.
So there is enough people around.
Like
the
you have
world.
to create value for players. You don't have to
I see
create
what
value for teams. Like that's what I'm
There
saying.
is, and people are invested, some of the
I think more than the youth, because for youth, parents will have to pay.
Okay, guys,
For
back to
adults,
this game. Our players are going in, back to this game.
I think Arki will put out 50%.
I know. I mean, look. At the end of the day, we all want to kind of have some.
Okay.
guys,
Okay, guys, on 3. Come on.
Okay.
Say
Chalo,
where
okay,
you are.
okay. From here only. Phoenix on 3. Chalo. 1, 2, 3. Phoenix.
Let's go.
Chalo, good luck, guys.
Have fun.
Yeah, I think.
Coming to who is scoring,
Has
who is
potential.
scoring.
Like compare Vamshi going.
I'll go after
I'll
five.
go. But someone needs. Who is scoring it? I think my login number.
Log out.
I think that's.
No, but you leave the
but I
responsibility
think
onto
more-
the teams.
That's what I'm saying. That's where most models fail. Because already those models exist.
The other thing would be how would the model identify? I mean, somebody would have to identify this is Ranga, this is like.
वो सब sorted. I think all of that is sorted.
Okay.
It's like
Actually, that's true.
कितना player होता है?
If Ranga gets right, they
Trade
know.
call, huh?
No, but more than that, you fill in players in the team. You should just say claim your package. And then once you've claimed it, once you've done it a couple times, models are good enough to tell you.
Club streaming automatically gives the scorecard in this video.
Oh,
But their limitation is
Matter is
you need to plug in a phone.
striking Vivek,
You cannot bring in a
non-striker.
or
Vivek,
the biggest problem I said, there's two big problems.
ఎవరన్నా
One is obviously hardware, and the second is this. What was I going to say? Second problem is
bowler name.
किसी को 4 घंटे का गेम नहीं देखना है.
nobody will get it. Reality of today, right?
Yeah.
People can't even keep up with 30-second TikTok. Forget a 4-hour.
First of all, they are not even watching full YouTube, only
Yeah.
shorts.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, I mean, yeah. The attention span of kids these days, TikTok is the most people will watch.
That's okay. You can ask for his time.
Hello, 185,
Bowler name?
184.
Rahul. Varun, okay.
Okay.
So there are demos going with the streaming we have.
Can you check the angle?
They automatically score.
AI scoring.
Yeah, scoring. Basically, we need to have the umpire in the frame.
No, I don't think that's going to work. No,
They demoed it. It's pretty good.
the thing is, for demos are controlled. When you leave it in the wild, every umpire, some umpires do six
Yeah, I know.
like this. यहाँ पे दो nipple के पास में दो उंगली, that's it. Some umpires do six like this.
Yeah, but that's easy for it.
Crazy bowling boy. Good catch. Good catch. Call करो भरत. You might have. I was scared. Who's going this one? Good catch. Call. Keep calling. Keep calling. Yeah. No one call it. Call guys. Good catch. Good catch. Good catch. Good catch. Call. Come on boy. Come on boy. Come on guys. Akshay. Akshay. Come on. On you.
So fielder is Akshay, right?
वरुण की वाइफ है, बैट्समैन की जो वाइफ है, बेस्ट फ्रेंड.
Bowler. Sai Kiran.
Thank you.
Probably the worst thing. G1, G6, G7, G8.
Come on, Jai.
Yeah, that's probably the best ground.
Yes. मार दे, shoot, मार दे. Easy.
All the finals, quarterfinals, and right there.
Even for the two ball.
Not like
Good one, Akshay. Good one.
Where is the team ball final?
here, G2, G3.
He's not one.